Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to hide a given slide within your Microsoft PowerPoint. So assuming you want to deliver a presentation but you don't want a given slide to show during your presentation, you can easily hide that particular slide and continue your presentation. So assuming you want to hide this very slide from the list of slides that you have up to 9 slides. So instead of you to just delete it, because at the moment you don't need to show them that you're an expert, but maybe if during your presentation there's a question that came up regarding this, you can easily come back, unhide it and show it to them. But you want to hide this very slide and you don't want it to appear during your presentation. All you need to do is to come to that very slide that you want to hide, right click on it, and you come all the way down to hide slide. Click on hide slide and it's going to dim the appearance, so you can see it's a little bit lighter. That's dimmed the appearance, so you can see the difference between this and the other slides. And additionally, when you look, this is slide 6, this is slide 7, you can see it when you look closely, it is striped, that is not included in your slides. Another method to hide this very slide is you can come all the way to on that very slide, and so let's say we unhide it and it's back. So let's say another method is you can come to that very slide and you can come all the way to slideshow and you say hide slide. Also, once you click on hide slide, it's going to go back to the hidden nature. So what this means is when you are delivering your presentation, when it comes to this slide 6, it will skip it and go to slide 8. So let's try to look at it and see. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6. So it will move to slide 8. It will not show slide 7. So this is it. This is what it means. But in cases when you want to see it or when you want to show it to the panel, you can always come back and just select and hide again, and it's going to come back. So when you are presenting, you can easily see it. So you can see slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it's now showing. So very easily you can hide multiple slides, not only one slide. If you like, you can hide more than one. So whichever one you want to hide, just right click and say hide. Just right click and say hide, and then you save it. Once you save it, these two slides are going to be hidden from your presentation. All right, and to unhide them, do the same. Just right click and click on hide again, and it's going to unhide the both of them. Right. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a quick and brief tutorial on how to hide a given slide during your presentations, so that you can later use it, or you can hide it immediately and then you bring it on request. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.